Okay, hi everybody. I'm Jenny Mayer. I teach biology. I'm an associate professor of biology here at Fisher, and I'm also your instructor for the career seminar course, which this video is meant to give you an introduction to. So I do this video because you're not going to see me for several weeks. So those of you who don't know me, it's nice to be able to recognize me in the hallway. If you have questions about the course, you can always stop me when you see me. But also because I think it's helpful just to hear what I have to say about how the course is structured and what its purpose is. So you got here through the syllabus page. So what you'll see on this page, of course, is the overall syllabus and the schedule for the course. And because this is a hybrid course, we really don't meet face-to-face very often. The course is really structured into two parts. One is a series of online assignments, which are available through Blackboard, and you can find them through the online assignments tab right here on the Blackboard page. And they're due on Sunday nights throughout the semester. The first one is due January 21st, and then for the next 5 weeks, you'll have an assignment due every Sunday night at midnight, and then there's 2 more near the end of the semester. So yeah, 6 through January and February, and then 2 in April. Those assignments are really meant to help you develop your career plan. So we start by having you think about what your goals are, what your skills are, what your interests are, and then really focus you down on the kind of practical skills and tools you need in order to pursue a career. So we're not really helping you necessarily we're helping everybody kind of explore the careers that they're interested in, more so than giving them directions about how you apply to medical school or how you apply to graduate school. So this is sort of a career exploration course, which is why we encourage students to take it early in their usually in their sophomore year, rather than wait till the end of their college career to take it, because we think this is a good time to start prepping for those next steps before you know exactly what those next steps are going to be. So the other part of the course is a career expo, a poster session that the students in this course, the career seminar course, present for new students in the department, so freshmen or new transfers. And if you were here as a freshman, you maybe went to this career expo. It's something that the instructors for Biology 120 and 128 offer extra credit for students to attend, 2 extra students if they attend the expo. And we usually get a pretty good crowd and a lot of good questions. So this is almost like a service that you're providing to the department, but it's also providing you an opportunity to take what you've learned, present it to the students, get more experience with a professional presentation, and develop those kinds of skills. So that's the other section of the course. That's all going to take place in March. So I'm not going to talk too much about it now because that's pretty far into the future. And also, our first live meeting is March 1st, which will be a Thursday morning at 8 a.m. And that's where we'll really go over it. So as we get closer to March 1st, I'll remind you of that date, and we'll start talking about what the Career Expo entails. But in the meantime, you'll be working on these assignments. The assignments, like I said, are really meant to help you walk along the career development path. And these are the kind of assignments where, I'm looking for specific things, sort of how thorough you are, how professional you are in your answers. But for the most part, if you turn it in and you've done a reasonably good job, you're going to get full credit on it. The point of these assignments is really for your own development. So the work that you put in is really to benefit you more so than to get a grade. So I want you to think about the assignments that way. We really tried to design them intentionally to help you help you really develop your career search process, and the more time you put into them, the more you'll get out of it. So I guess what I would say is on the assignments, it's easy to get an A by just following the rules, but to really have it be valuable to you as an A, take some time and really think about what your answers are for each of these assignments. So like I said, that first one is due on January 21st. You can start them whenever. You can finish them ahead of time. There is a penalty for being late, but for the most part, you're most of the points are just in the assignment itself. The rubrics are available for the assignment. For each assignment, they're a generic rubric, so you'll get a sense of what I'm looking for, hopefully by looking at the rubric. And yeah, I think like I said, the bottom line is really you get out of this course what you put into it. So if you're really want to make the most out of this course, I encourage you to spend a couple hours a week on the assignments, and you will really get the benefit out of them. If you want to just get a grade and check the box, you can probably do them in 20 minutes, but I don't think that's really worth your while. So so that's where we are. I hope you feel free to get started. Send me questions if you have them. Oh, I should mention, if you do have questions, rather than emailing me directly, I'd like you to use the online discussion board, which is on the which you'll see on the menu for the part. My cat is meowing in the background. I don't know if you can hear him. He's trying to get in this room. So anyway, that's what's going on. I hope this course goes well for you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in March and maybe before then in January. Okay.